Say you had a variable called x, assign x to y. Even though the types are different, they are compatible. This is due to casting, basically the conversion of types. If you want to explicitly cast it, you can do that as well. You can also use static cast. In Unreal Engine though, you'll be casting with object types usually. Now go to add in the C++ third person character. Go ahead and add this module like this. Change the game mode override to a new game mode. Choose the third person character as the pawn class. Now head into the third person character. Include the Kismet system library and gameplay statics. Override the tick function. Set up a line trace. Inside the BP my actor, which add in some sort of a visual representation. Drag in my actor. The line trace is working. This is where casting is going to be useful. Get the actor. Now we want to check if we hit my actor. Cast like this. Just include the my actor.h. I just printed something. It shows hit my actor. We are converting a generic actor type to a type of a my actor. In case we did not hit my actor, this cast is going to fail. Say you had 10 actors like this. You can't keep casting to each one of them, right? This is where we use interfaces. We can implement an interface for all the actors that we want to perform an operation for, and we are going to cast to the interface instead of the actor. So I can create an interact interface and implement it in both my pickup as well as my door. Create a new Unreal Interface class. Create a function called interact. Just give it a default implementation. Just forward declare the interface. Implement the interface using multiple inheritance. Create a definition. Create a declaration in myactor.h. If you are going to implement the interface in Blueprint, you should not make it virtual. Instead, you should use the U function Blueprint implementable event specifier. So add this in the interface as well. And add this print. Include myInterface.h in the character. You can just cast to the interface and it's going to collectively check for all of them. You see that it's still working. We can also call the interact function. Reload. Now if you notice, it also shows that we interacted with my actor. So you could have this whole thing in a keyboard event. And in the door, you can give a different implementation for interact, and for the pickup or anything else that you have, you can give a different implementation. So this way, you won't have to cast each time.